Good morning, everyone. This is Anne-Marie. Today is Monday, January the 28th, and this is a look at SPY. Well, we keep moving up, keep grinding to the upside, still holding the weekly VWAP. Here's the monthly VWAP. We do have extended acceleration. Here we are coming into resistance level 2. That's 150, 150.59. We'll be moving up into this region more than likely. That is my thought in terms of what the chart has to give us. This 150, 170 to 152 looks like the threshold. Of course, because we are in an extended pattern, it could move all the way up there, but I surmise that we are going to get a little bit toppy here. A lot of folks still underinvested. This pullback here, because we keep seeing inflows, right? A lot of folks talking about increased inflows into the market, and we don't expect that to not continue. Did I somehow adjust that? Let's move that back to where it belongs. Okay, and so we do expect that the market will run into these upper levels, but things very rarely move in a straight line here. I am starting to see things. I know I sound like a broken record. Here's the bottom line to take away from this. Keep your stops tight. When things pull back into support and they look like they're going to hold, you're going to advance again. For some of us that are a little bit weak with technical analysis, you listen to the terms, it looks like it's going to hold, and you go, what in the world does that mean? Well, take a look at the bottom of those candlesticks. Just so long as you don't make another low one of those, as in this, right? Pay attention to this level right here. You see all the candlesticks sitting there. If it breaks, guess what? Got some retracement going on. It's as simple as that. Try to make looking at the charts a storyline just based on price. What are the candlesticks telling you? You don't have to make the market complicated in order to trade it. I understand there are a lot of whiz-bang geniuses out there. I certainly was a box of rocks when it came to looking at the market when I first started. And so a simple approach has turned out to be the best thing for me. That being said, that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at the flattening action. I'm looking at candlesticks continue to retrace each other. I'm looking at small grinding movement, right? People are buying these dips. This morning, the ZB, something that we watch a lot, is at a major support level. Does that mean that the markets are going to roll? No, not necessarily, but it certainly does mean I need to pay attention. And I will tell you this, if I am looking at the market and the ZB is falling, you can be sure that I'm going to be extremely cautious about where it is that I'm going to enter any shorts. All right, that being said, pay attention to the pivot levels. We've got the break of support somewhere around 149, support level 1, 148.71, support level 2, 148.30. These are step downs. These are the Woody's pivots. Nice and simple. You can find it in your charts. All right. What else? Up above, well, we're sitting above that right now, and we've got a little bit of pre-market upside waiting for us. We got a lot of things on deck for earnings. There's a lot of open access stuff on the blog, actually, if you want to go there and see what we are looking at in terms of earnings and that sort of thing coming into the week. But we have these levels right here, 150.56, looking at top end thresholds for today. Don't really think that we're going to get past this 150.98 today. Just a hunch, thinking that we'll come right back into this breakout congestion level before we make another decision. Bottom line, be careful. Don't take risks you do not need to. All right, many of us think that we need to take risks. We really don't. So pay attention, look at the candlesticks, watch the levels, realize that momentum is flattening out. Look at these things. Again, detrended price oscillator, something simple. Certainly if you have it on the TOS platform, here it is on Motive Wave. Nice flat action like this, trending for sure, but certainly not increasing, right? This is like if we're thinking about being in a vehicle. Down here, we're stepping on the accelerator and continuing to increase acceleration. The second that it gets about here, it's like we've put it on cruise control, right? We're not diminishing momentum, but we certainly are not increasing momentum. Price, however, continues to increase, all right? So as long as price increases, we are going to stay long. What's the point of getting out there, right? Stay long until price starts decreasing. Good luck today.